Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really special for you guys. Pure cotton kurtas from House of Kari. You know, the Kashmiri embroidery has its own magic. It is detailed, elegant, and somehow it elevates even the simplest outfit. And the best part, it's so versatile. If you are building wardrobe with some classic pieces, you should definitely have one Kashmiri Kadhai kurta in that wardrobe because it is so stylish, simple, and totally timeless. I have picked out 7 looks: tops, short kurtas, long ones, and styled them differently with salwars, palazzos, even with jeans. मतलब थोड़ा traditional, थोड़ा modern, and पूरा का पूरा stylish. So whether you are dressing for festive get-togethers or a casual day out or even for work, you are going to find some style inspo here. So chalo, let's start with look number 1. Let's start today's haul with this beauty. It is Falak embroidered A-line kurta and it is made in 100% cotton fabric, which means it is breathable and comfortable. But what instantly caught my eye is this detailing. Look at this beautiful embroidery in blue colors. It is there on the yoke, on panels, even on the hemline. It is so neat and intricate, it gives this kurta that authentic Kashmiri vibe. And sleeves are my favorite part. They are long, flared, with the same colored embroidered border. And look at these fringes, they are totally showstopper. Small details like this make this kurta extra special. To match the embroidery on the front and create little balance, they have given nice small motif at the back also, which completes the look beautifully. I styled this beautiful kurta with my white chikankari salwar for that flowy, comfortable look. Now for the jewelry, I paired it with these statement oxidized polki jhumkas. Because this kurta is closed neck and sleeves are long, I feel no other accessories are required. For the footwear, my silver thong style heels and my nice light festive look is ready. This one is perfect for festive lunches at home or even for little puja or family get-togethers. It's chic, comfy, and looks way more expensive than it is. Next up is this Sunshine Beauty yellow color ari work kurta, and it is made in soft cotton fabric. It is a simple kurta with calf length. It has this flattering V neckline and classic 3/4 sleeves. But the embroidery, where the magic begins. Neckline has this gorgeous embroidery in square yoke design. Look at this beautiful grays and greens. It is super neat, intricate yet classy. And then you got these tiny embroidered butta scattered across the front and on sleeves. It is really a subtle detail but creates balance in the look. And there is this delicate embroidered border on sleeve edges and kurta hemline, which just ties in the whole look together. I paired it with my off-white palazzos, and for this jewelry I got inspiration from this beautiful green color and paired it with these statement earrings, and I found this matching bracelet also. Isn't it looking cute? For the footwear, my clear heels because they create balance in the look. The way I styled this kurta with statement earrings, you can easily wear this for festive get-togethers, but if you switch the accessories to slightly minimal, you can easily wear this look for office also. Okay, so this next one is little different. It is a beautiful brown color short kurta made in pure cotton fabric. Now honestly, short kurtas has my heart because they are so versatile. You can pair them with salwar, palazzo, jeans, even skirts. This one has simple round neck, long sleeves. It is a simple straight kurta with straight hem and falls just above the knees. The embroidery is what makes it pop. Delicate Kashmiri ari work in pink, green and off-white florals creates this beautiful yoke design around the neckline. They have this nice delicate border on sleeve edges, hemline, even on slits. These are small finishing touches, make it look polished. I paired it with off-white flared palazzo to keep the silhouette breezy and elegant. Accessories are minimal. My gold heart hoop earrings, dainty bracelet from earlier look, and I slipped into my Must Harbor heels for the clean finish. Honestly, this look is such a winner for everyday wear, whether you are heading for work, meeting up friends for chai, or running errands. It is totally fuss-free, light, and it has that Kashmiri embroidery charm that makes it feel special. Moving on to this gorgeous navy blue kurta, which is my favorite in this haul. Honestly, this one feels like such a statement piece. It has simple notch neckline, long flared sleeves. It is made in cotton fabric. It is a straight fit calf length kurta with straight hem. But really what takes it to another level is its embroidery. It has got this contrast, vibrant pink and green tones, almost covering the entire kurta. These big floral buttas all over, broad embroidered border. Then there is this delicate border around the neckline and slits. मतलब इतना rich लग रहा है, it feels like kurta is fully embroidered. And then these cute fringes on sleeves, total showstopper. And I forgot about these cute little tassels at the front also. They are grabbing the attention. I paired it with my white chikankari salwar to balance this busy embroidery on the kurta and let the navy shine. For accessories, I kept it elegant with my Rubans pearl earrings, a simple bracelet from Amazon, and to complete the look, my Must Harbor heels. This outfit is a must for festive gatherings. Whether it is Diwali party or a family occasion where you want to be traditional but yet still want to be elegant. Even you don't need heavy accessories here. This kurta itself does all the talking. Next up is this crisp off-white short kurta. Pure cotton, super breathable. Honestly, it is a kind of piece that works in any season. It's got V neckline, long flared sleeves, straight cut, and sits just above the knees. As usual, embroidery is highlight here. It has multicolored thread work around the neckline. Then there is this broad border running halfway down the kurta. Then it has fully embroidered sleeves, giving it that bold statement look. And these fringes on sleeves, giving it that playful touch. I paired it with my off-white salwar because honestly, white with white always looks classy. For jewelry, I kept it simple, classy and matching these brown studs. For the bracelet, it is a simple gold bracelet from Amazon. Or for footwear, my Must Harbor heels. With right accessories, you can wear this look for work. Other than that, it is perfect for any day event. It is light but still turn heads. Okay, how cute is this one? It's a light blue short cotton kurta and instantly it gives that fresh breezy vibes. Cut is really simple. This long V notch neck, long flared sleeves, above knee with straight hem. But embroidery is what makes it extra special. It is fully embroidered in Kashmiri Ari work. There is ethnic motif border around the neckline, on front, on sleeve edges, even on the hemline. And there is this multicolored beautiful floral embroidery all over the kurta. These contrast pink, mustard colors on this light blue base takes it to another level. It has really deep neck. Please take a note of it. I paired it with my white chikankari palazzos to balance the outfit. For the accessories, I paired it with these beautiful silver earrings, and for the footwear, my clear heels. to keep the things chic and stylish. All these looks are super versatile. You can wear them on multiple occasions by simply switching the accessories. For the last look, I have got something a little different. It is a blue color cotton top. It is short, straight, it has got V neckline, long flared sleeves, button down front, but embroidery is what makes it little extra than the regular top. It's fully embroidered in contrast colors with neat border around the neckline, front, hemline and on sleeve edges. So the embroidery just isn't pretty. It gives the whole outfit a nice structure. And this front button design makes it super versatile. You can wear it as a top and layer it as a jacket also. I styled it with my flared blue jeans for that Indo-fusion vibe. For jewelry, I kept it really minimal with these simple silver earrings and clear heels and let the top do all the talking. This one is for those days when you want to wear something ethnic inspired but don't want to go full on traditional. And that's all the 7 looks from this Kashmiri kurta haul. And honestly, shooting this haul felt so special because each kurta is made with this delicate embroidery and so much details and still so wearable in our everyday life. So, which one was your favorite and which you are going to buy this season? Tell me in the comments. Also tell me what you want to see next. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye!